Another day, another story. Cancer is a common life-threatening disease across the globe. Unlike other diseases, it is more common in adults. The most common characteristic of this disease is the fast growth of abnormal cells in the body. With time, these cells affect different types of body tissues, which may result in many health problems. There are different types of this disease. It can attack various organs in your body, such as the lungs, skin, throat, mouth, and breasts. Apart from this, blood cancer is also quite common. However, we are going to focus on breast cancer in this video. It's possible to control breast cancer. The good news is that it is possible to apply different treatments in order to control breast cancer. However, it is important to keep in mind that there is no drug or therapy that can guarantee that the sufferer will recover after the end of treatment. Even if a patient recovers successfully, they may catch the disease again at some point in their life. However, early diagnosis and the right type of treatment plan can help control the spread of this disease. Success rate. First of all, it is important to keep in mind that we don't have a treatment that can cure cancer. The only thing we can do is control this disease as long as the patient gets the treatment in a timely fashion. This is the state when the patient has no symptoms of cancer. This state is called remission instead of recovery. But the problem is that the patient may still catch this disease again. The success rate of the treatment depends on a lot of factors, such as the type of cancer. However, some types feature a higher survival rate, such as thyroid, cervical, testicular, prostate, dust, and melanoma, to name a few. Other types of cancers can be controlled with medication and a healthy lifestyle. Other treatments for breast cancer. Generally, the most common treatment for this disease is chemotherapy. This type of treatment involves infusion via blood vessels. This therapy can be done whether a patient is watching TV, listening to music, reading a book, or just lying down. For patient safety, drugs that are prescribed for chemotherapy are properly tested. Therefore, patients don't need to worry about the side effects of this procedure. Even if a patient suffers from some minor side effects, doctors can prescribe the right type of medication to control the symptoms. Other types of treatments include targeted therapy, hormonal therapy, radiation, surgery, or a combination of these treatments. In short, it is possible to control breast cancer and lead a healthy life. The only thing to keep in mind is to get a timely diagnosis and undergo the right type of treatment. So if you or someone you know suffers from this disease, we suggest that you get in touch with the doctor as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe, click the notification bell and don't forget to like, share and comment.